How to log into Line account. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have the Line application in your mobile device. If not, install it from Play Store. After that, open up the application, and once you open it up, you will have this interface. From here, tap on login. Now, if you still have access to your old device, you can simply log in with your QR code, but if not, you can log in with another method as well. So tap in login with another method. Now, if you have created your account using your phone number, you can log in with the phone number, or if you have created an account with your Apple ID, continue with Apple ID. If not, if you have created your account with Google, then tap on continue with Google. If you use your phone number, tap on login with phone number, and on the next page you will have to enter the verification code that you will receive in your phone number. So enter your verification code. After that, log in with your password, and then you will be logged into Line account. Here I'm using my Google account. Then tap on continue with Google. Now I have to choose an account, so make sure you choose the registered account and then tap on login. Now once the account data is synced, you will be logged into your Line account. So that's how you can log in into your Line account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.